Good evening everyone. I'm Payal and today we are having a group discussion on the topic vegetarian food versus non-vegetarian food. So first I give my opinion. So I like non-vegetarian food that they give us all the beneficiary nutrients or minerals that our body needs, or it can easy food for the maintaining weight. That I say that the vegetarian food can contain carbohydrates, and by taking the carbohydrate food, many people gain the weight, and after gaining the after taking many of the carbohydrates, the diseases like hypothyroidism, like that diseases we are facing. So I think that non-vegetarian food are best for our health. So what your opinion about that?
I didn't believe that non-vegetarian food is healthier than vegetarian. See, in ancient times,